how you can fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So when you open Telegram, you will notice that they have removed find nearby people on Telegram. As you can see on the bottom left, there is no option. Now Telegram has not just disabled this feature, they have removed it completely. Now the reason being is that they are having issues with bots and scammers. Now as you can see right here, that they have removed the feature to improve the moderation of Telegram. Bots and scammers use this feature to just scam people nearby them to meet their needs. So they have just removed this feature, and they won't be bringing this feature back, but they will be bringing a new feature called businesses nearby, so you can just update it when the new update is coming. So yeah, that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.